Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the hidden Google Earth flight simulator. Alright, let's begin. This guide will take you from installation to actually controlling your aircraft in the simulator. First, you'll need to download and install Google Earth Pro. To do that, open your preferred web browser and type Google Earth Pro in the search bar. Once you reach the official Google Earth page, click on Earth Versions, and then select Google Earth Pro on desktop. Download and install the software on your computer. Once installed, open Google Earth Pro. Now, you can either search for a location, like Phuket, Thailand, or start directly from an airport. To enter the simulator, go to the top menu and click Tools, then select Enter Flight Simulator. You'll now see options to choose your aircraft and starting position. If you select Current View, the simulator will start from the location you're currently viewing. Alternatively, you can select an airport to take off from, for example, Frankfurt Airport. If you have a joystick, you can plug it in and enable it for more realistic control. Otherwise, you can use your keyboard and mouse. Once everything is set, click Start Flight to begin. When the simulator loads, click once inside the window until your cursor changes into a cross shape. That means you're now in control of the plane. To accelerate, press the page up key or the up arrow key. On some laptops, you may need to hold the FN key and then press the up arrow to increase throttle. Once you gain speed, you can gently pull back on your mouse to lift off. Steering and control are handled through mouse movement, allowing you to turn, climb, or descend smoothly. And that's all you need to get started flying in the Google Earth Flight Simulator. So that's basically how you can use the hidden Google Earth Flight Simulator. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.